What are other uses for the Cornell method besides school? Imagine turning your note-taking into a versatile tool that works for more than just studying. The Cornell method, originally made for students, can actually help in many other areas of life. It's all about organizing information clearly and making it easy to review later. For example, in professional meetings or conferences, you can use the Cornell layout to jot down main ideas in the notes section, key points or action items in the Q column, and then write a quick summary at the bottom. This way, you can easily find what was discussed and what needs follow-up. When managing projects, the method helps keep track of goals, deadlines, and challenges. You can write project details in the main section, list questions or reminders in the Q column, and summarize your progress at the end. It makes reviewing project status simple and organized. During workshops or training sessions, actively taking notes using this method boosts your understanding. You can note key concepts, write questions for clarification, and summarize lessons learned. It turns passive listening into active learning. For personal growth, you can use the Cornell layout to track habits, set goals, or reflect it on your progress. The Q column can hold prompts or questions to motivate you, while the summary helps you see your growth over time. Creative minds can also benefit from this method by organizing ideas during brainstorming. Write raw ideas in the notes section, keywords or themes in the Q column, and a summary of the main concept or next steps at the bottom. It keeps your ideas clear and focused. Researchers and writers find it useful too. You can organize information from different sources, jotting down key facts and questions to explore further. Summaries help synthesize your findings. If you prefer digital tools, many note-taking apps support the Cornell layout. You can sync your notes across devices, making it easy to review anytime, anywhere. Overall, the Cornell method is a simple yet powerful way to stay organized, think critically, and remember information better. It's not just for school. It can boost your productivity and organization in work, personal life, and creative projects. Its straightforward design makes it easy to adapt for any situation where you need to keep information clear and accessible.